Performance-driven at affordable prices. Made in the USA with quality materials. Field tested to ensure nothing but the best for your pet. Length of hose, 9.8 feet. Fluval replacement ribbed hosing is suitable for Fluval 307/407 canister filter, A446, A449, Fluval 306/406 canister filter, A212, A217, Fluval 305/405 canister filter, A211, A216. Top reviews from the United States. They are hoses for a canister filter lol. They work as expected. Fit my Fluval 307 as expected. Mine is lower than many would be and to the side of my stand because there is no open room under the tank, so I needed this to make sure the tubes would both reach where they needed to. Nothing really to talk about. They are working and I'm happy. So are my fish. That's what's important.